What is up, guys? Welcome back to Reefs. Today is part 1 of our new series, growing a TikTok theme page. I'm really excited for today's video. I've been looking for a new series to start, and I think growing a TikTok theme page would be really interesting and kind of a challenge for me since I've never really done it before or even attempted to grow a TikTok theme page. In this series, we're going to be growing it from scratch and seeing how we can make money using that TikTok theme page and how fast we can grow it and what methods we use to grow this TikTok theme page. I'm super excited and I think it's a great idea for a series. If you guys like the idea for the series, let me know down in the comments below if you guys like it or you guys don't. Let me know. I'm also really open to any suggestions that you guys have in the comments below. So in today's video, we're going to be creating our own TikTok theme page and we're going to be posting some videos, seeing how we can monetize this and just growing it from scratch in general. Also, I made my bed for today's video like a responsible person, so if you guys could leave a like for that, I would really appreciate it. Also, I found out that only 10% of you guys watching my videos are subscribed, so make sure you guys subscribe with post notifications turned on so that you never miss a video. Anyways, let's get started with this series. Okay, so first thing that we actually have to do is create a TikTok account. So we're going to sign up and we are going to use an email, and I'm just going to pick a random day for my birthday and we're going to go for email and I'm going to type in my email address. Okay, so I just used a random email and password for this account, and so we're signing up right now and we're actually going to come up with a username right now. And this is where I'm going to tell you what niche that I'm going to be doing for this challenge and growing our TikTok theme page. We are going to be doing the satisfying niche. I feel like there's a lot of content and like everyone likes satisfying videos, and so there's a lot of options to choose from for viral content, and it's just a pretty broad niche, and no it's not too like narrowed down, and I feel like everyone kind of likes satisfying videos, and I just feel like it's a good, easy, kind of not super difficult niche that's not too narrow in target. So we're gonna pick something to do with satisfying videos for our username. Okay, so I came up with the name Always Satisfying, as in like all of my videos are always satisfying, and I think this is a great name, and it's just like a two word name, and I don't have to use any special characters or anything, no numbers or anything, so I think it's good, and we're gonna hit sign up right now. Hopefully I spelled satisfying right. I know if I spelled that wrong that would be embarrassing. Okay, so for our name we're just gonna do the same thing, Always Satisfying, and we're gonna hit save. Okay, and then for our bio, we're gonna come up with that later. We're not gonna link an Instagram or a YouTube quite yet, and what we're gonna do now is actually kind of come up with a logo and find a logo from the internet so that we can use for our profile picture. So let's go on to Google right now. Okay, we're on Google right now, and this is one of my tricks for finding logos that I can use for my theme pages. I just look up S logo or any letter that is the start of your name, and I think satisfying, so satisfying and then S logo. We're gonna pick something that I can choose that I like for this theme page, and honestly the first one is pretty solid. I like that. Oh shoot, I accidentally clicked it. I like this photo, it's pretty good. I just found it, it's from Pinterest. I guess you can and then what you do is you just download it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it to our profile. Okay, so that looks pretty clean, and it's got like a blue and pink theme to it. I really like it, and it looks super nice, and that's just like one way to find a logo very easily online. Now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna set up our bio, and for this I do want to monetize this page and be able to make money off this. So I'm going to use the plug app as like the way to monetize this page, because I just think it's going to be one of the best high converting ways to monetize and actually be able to make money on this account. And if you guys don't know about the plug app is like an app that groups up a bunch of different ads for apps, and with those apps you are getting paid a certain amount per download that you get for that app. And so we're going to find some apps that I want to promote on this page. We're going to put them in a link tree so that they're all in one place, and we're going to add them to our bio. And I'm going to pick some very like easy, really simple games and add them to a link tree. So I'll do that right now. Okay guys, so pretty much I just made a link tree with a bunch of different games that were doing really well on the plug app. I just chose games that like got a lot of downloads recently and that got the most money per 1,000 views that they got. we're actually gonna switch to a business account and go to art, and then we're gonna hit edit profile, and we're gonna add our website. And in our website, we're gonna put our link tree for download fun games. And this is the one that I created real quick. I did not record the process of making a link tree. I'm sure you guys know how to make a link tree. It's not super hard. You can just go to linktree.com, just sign up with an email. It's all free, and then you just add whatever links that you want to it. So we're gonna go to my link tree right now, and as you guys can see, I just put the as download fun games. And then as you guys can see, this was actually a pre-made theme they had already, so I didn't like design this or anything. It's all on the link tree for free. And pretty much all I did was add the links to the game. So we got like Car Slingshot, Sky Glider, Blade Ford, Nail Salon, and Roof Rails. These are all just like fun games to play that if you wanted to download them, then you can, and I would be getting paid for them. And so pretty much when anytime someone clicks one of these links after going to my bio, it's going to take them to the Slingshot game on the App Store. And then when they download it, I'm going to get paid by the plug app, you know, a certain amount. I'm not really sure how much these games are actually going to give me. I didn't really look. I was just searching for top games, and I pretty much just hit the copy link and I just pasted them in there, and I didn't really look at how much I would make on each of them. Probably around 30 cents per game. So we're actually going to come up with a bio now, so that when people check out our page on TikTok, that they're going to want to go download those games, and we can make some money off this account like day one. So I'm gonna come up with a TikTok bio right now, and I'll tell you guys what I come up with. Okay, so for my bio, I said bored and stuck inside ? Check out these games down below to pass the time. I think this is a really good bio, and it's like, you know, asking if they're bored and stuck inside because of quarantine and stuff. And it's just gonna actually get them to go check out the link tree, and maybe they're gonna download all 5 games, and then I could make some money off of that. So pretty much, as far as setting up our account on TikTok for our theme page, we are pretty much all done. And as you guys can see, our bio and page looks really nice already. We have, you know, our ad, and we have our profile picture already done. It doesn't take that long to make a TikTok account, to be honest. And we got our bio set up, and we got our link tree set up already. So we're already ready to make money. We have a bio, and all we have to do now is find content. And I don't think that's going to be very hard, because satisfying content is everywhere. It's on Instagram, it's on TikTok, and you know, a lot of them are not like copyrighted or anything or claimed, and they're just free to use. So we're gonna go find some content right now, and we're actually gonna post. Okay, so I found a video on Instagram that I do like for this TikTok video, and it's just a very satisfying video of this guy popping a balloon, and it seems to look really nice, and it's just like takes off the balloon layer, and underneath is just like this really cool, like, I don't know, rubbery type, like clear thingy, and it's just pretty satisfying, and I think it's a good video. And so I just put it in Iron Shot to like get the dimensions right for TikTok, so that it actually can be posted and look nice on TikTok. So what we're gonna do now is hit save, and we're just gonna save it to our camera roll. If you guys were wondering what app I use to edit and make the dimensions correct, it's this app called Iron Shot on the App Store, and it's also free. It's just a really good tool to use if you guys need to do some quick editing to post on Instagram or TikTok. It's just a very easy app, and it's also free. Okay, so we're on TikTok right now, and we found our video, we got the right dimensions. So we have our video ready, and we got our cover. Let's select a cover that looks a little bit better, and we'll try to find something that's pretty cool for the cover so that it looks nice. And let's try to get this like clear, like, yeah, that looks good. And for describing the video, I honestly think that it doesn't make any difference to have any hashtags or anything on TikTok, because it's not really based on hashtags or anything. So pretty much what we're gonna do, allow comments, allow switch, we're not gonna save to device, and we're gonna upload the video right now. So our video is uploading right now, and we'll have our first video up, and we're going to see how it does. So this is going to conclude the first episode of growing our TikTok theme page from scratch. If you guys want a part 2, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any suggestions or anything, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm really happy to answer any questions or anything in the comments. And make sure you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe with post notifications turned on, so you guys don't miss the part 2 of this, where we're going to be posting more and seeing how we can further monetize this page and make money off of it, and just seeing how these videos do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.